Hey everybody, I'm Alex with Lafontaine Classic Cars, and here we've got a 1970 Monte Carlo. This vehicle features a 402 cubic inch V8 with only 50,000 miles. All the chrome on this vehicle is spotless, from the front bumper to the trim around the headlights, and even your turn signal indicators. This vehicle is fortunate enough to still have his Chevrolet badge on the hood, as well as its cryptic Monte Carlo shielded helmet. This is a rare vehicle. One of its options include the rally style wheels with the chrome trim, the vinyl top, and the bench seat. All make this vehicle very rare. Around the back, we'll notice dual chrome tips on our exhaust, and our fuel filler is behind the license plate. Inside the trunk, we'll find our factory spare wheel, the original steering wheel, as well as some extra weather stripping. Under the hood, we'll find a very clean engine bay housing a 402 turbojet 330 horsepower V8, brand new battery, power steering, and power brakes, as well as vintage AC. The interior of this vehicle is in great condition, from the carpet to the rear bench seat, the dashboard, the headliner, and even all the trim and glass are like new condition. Another thing that makes this vehicle so rare is the 4-speed manual Monte transmission. Everything works on the inside. Glove box, ashtray. And your visors all go up and down as they should. Once on the road, you'll notice that the power brakes stop just as they should. Your turn signals operate properly, and the Monte 4-speed manual transmission shifts very smoothly throughout all 4 gears. Since this was marketed as Chevrolet's first sport luxury vehicle, when you're going around the turns, you'll definitely notice the touring aspect of this vehicle. You don't feel many of the bumps in the road, and the curves are nice and smooth, partially thanks to the power steering. thanks to the factory air and AC. We're nice and cozy today. All of the gauges work as they should, including the wipers. All right, everybody, thanks for watching our video on our 1970 Monte Carlo with 50,000 miles. If you'd like any more information, feel free to give us a call at 248-714-2110. If you'd like to check out the rest of our inventory, you can find it at www.lafontaineClassicCars.com. We do ship nationwide and worldwide. Give us a like at the bottom.